Should I start with it,
Yeah,
sir?
yeah. Please start the session.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Very good afternoon to one and all. On behalf of APTI Mumbai region, I, Suchita Gokhale, Assistant Professor from Ideal College of Pharmacy and Research, wish you a very good afternoon and happy Independence Day. I extend a warm welcome to everyone present here. This is an occasion of first anniversary celebration of e-magazine Pharmadarpan and e-repository Jnanaganga. Welcome you all and thank you for accepting our invitation. A perfect planning is half of done. It is believed that Goddess Saraswati endows human being with the power of speech, wisdom, and learning. Before starting with the program, we always take blessings from Goddess Saraswati. Now I request Miss Ritu to take Saraswati Vandana. Ritu, over to you.
या कुंदेदु तुषार हार धवला या शुभ्रावस्ता धृता या वीणा वरदंड मंडितकरा या श्वेता पद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शंकर प्रभृतिभिः दैवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मा पातु सरस्वती भगवती नैशैषा जाड्या पहा नैशैषा जाड्या पहा नैशैषा जाड्या पहा.
Please unmute Suchita ma'am.
Yes. Thank you, Ritu. A bright and cheerful day today. With the blessings of Goddess Saraswati, we'll start with the session. Today's event is an occasion to celebrate, an opportunity to momentarily look back, but the golden ticket to chart a new and small steps taken part towards the spreading knowledge. I'm happy to announce this is our first anniversary celebration of e-magazine, Pharmadarpan and e-repository Jnanaganga. A successful 7 editions we have done. Aim of Pharmadarpan is to build a networking friendly handshake between the institute under Mumbai University. And the Jnanaganga is the delightful, colorful museum for the students and the faculties also. The Pharmadarpan and Jnanaganga are the reflection of the culture. It is a mirror to the cream of activities and expression of all colleges' creativity and imagination. The acknowledgement of faculties who carried a college torch of glory across the Mumbai region and in academic excellence. This was about Pharmadarpan and Jnanaganga invention and the journey. So without taking much of your time, we'll start with our program. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome our distinguished dignitaries we have with us present today. The Honorable guest, Dr. Mahesh Burande, former President, APTI National, Honorable Director, Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Pune, Honorable Director of Abyss Pharma Consultancy Group. His Excellency, the Sir, you hardly need an introduction. You have made all of us proud to your distinguished work and numerous capacities. Our next guest, Dr. Milind Umerkar, the current Vice President, APTI National, Principal Kishoridai Boyer College of Pharmacy, Nagpur. Sir doesn't need any formal introduction. He has been highly respected and known for his kind deeds and professional services in pharmacy. Moving further, I welcome eminent guest Dr. S.B. Bari, the Vice President, APTI Maharashtra State, a distinct region and the fountainhead of illuminating ideas, an ideal of knowledge and experience, inspiration to all of us. We move on to next, the equal pleasure, and I'm professionally elated to invite Dr. Mahesh Charde. Dr. Manoj Charde, Secretary, APTI Maharashtra State. Sir inspired, motivated young minds to showcase their talents, realize their potential. I feel privileged to extend my warm welcome to all presented here for the celebration of first anniversary of magazine e-Pharmadarpan, that is an e-repository Jnanaganga. I request Dr. Rakesh Somani sir to give welcome address. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Suchita madam. Good afternoon, one and all present on this platform. On behalf of the entire core team as well as the extended teams of APTI Mumbai region. I welcome our today's honorable guest, Dr. Mahesh Burande, Dr. Milind Umekar, Dr. S.B. Bari, and Dr. Manoj Charade sir. It is really a proud privilege of mine that all these stalwarts of APTI are present here on this platform, and with a single phone call, all of them have accepted our invitation. That shows their commitment towards the profession as well as the love for the pharmacy fraternity in general. I would like to inform all our distinguished guests today that APTI Mumbai region covers the area starting from Palghar, Mumbai, then Raigad, Ratnagiri, and Sindhudurg region. So all these 5, and Thane, of course. So all these 6 districts covers the entire APTI Mumbai as such. We have the faculty members as well as the members of the APTI from Mumbai University, then D.Y. Patil University, Batu University, and NMIMS University, and SNDT also. So all the different universities, including ICT, the entire Mumbai region has been formed. I'm glad to inform you all, respected guests, that we have been working hard since last 3 years to bring the APTI Mumbai region on the national as well as state platform. I, being the Joint Secretary of Maharashtra State Branch of APTI, with the vision of our National President Dr. P.D. Chaudhary, as well as National Vice President Dr. Milind Umekar sir, and the guidance from the state team, including Dr. Charade, Dr. Bari, as well as Dr. Upasni, we thought that we would like to initiate various activities at Mumbai region. And that's why 3 important activities we started. One is the Pharma Darpan e-magazine, which we inaugurated last year. Dr. Raman Dang was the guest over there. And also Dr. P.D. Chaudhary was invited. Later on, we started with the important activity of Jnanaganga e-repository. Considering the current pandemic situation, where students were facing the problem of getting the material in the hard copy from the libraries of the colleges, we thought that the teachers, record their lectures and then put on the same platform or one platform. And that is how this Jnanaganga e-repository was created. And you'll be surprised to know that more than 2,000 lectures have been actually put up on this Jnanaganga e-repository. The exact figures will come to know when we will see the report of Jnanaganga. And third and important activity, podcast webinar series we have started, wherein today is the first session of that webinar series at 4 o'clock, wherein the different stalwart from the pharma industry as well as from academia will be invited to deliver their thoughts on the pharmaceutical industry and in general as such. So all these 3 activities are possible only because of the dedicated team of Jnanaganga, Pharma Darpan, as well as Karya Kaushalam webinar series. I'm really happy to tell you all, sir, that this dedicated team of APTI Mumbai, what you are seeing here, all of them are working day in, day out to on the voluntary basis to bring APTI activity on the forefront. I'm really thankful once again to our entire team of APTI Mumbai, all the college coordinators, all the principals of APTI of Mumbai region, and all our distinguished guests for their august presence over here. Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to talk. Suchita madam, may I request Mr. Pritam Juwatkar to take the session further. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Rakesh sir. Good afternoon, respected Dr. Mahesh Burande, Dr. Milind Umekar, respected Dr. Sanjay Kumar Bari, and Dr. Manoj Charade, guest of today's program. Dr. Rakesh sir, principal of all college, all dignitaries, all APTI college coordinator of Mumbai region, I welcome you on this occasion. I am Pritam Juwatkar, academic in charge of KGR-DCP Karjat and Mumbai University regional coordinator. It is indeed a great pleasure to present the first anniversary issue of our bi-monthly e-magazine, Pharma Darpan, in association with Association Pharmaceutical Teachers of India, APTI. Perfect planning is half of done. With this sentence, our journey starts from 15th August 2020. Dr. Rakesh Sumani sir came with an idea to publish an e-magazine with the vision to provide a platform for all the pharmacy institute in the Mumbai region under the banner of APTI. Publishing magazine is a long dread process. But due to the kind support and guideline of our mentor, Dr. Rakesh, Dr. Mohan sir, journey had started with the constitution of editorial board with the proactive self-initiative my fellow APTI college coordinator, Mr. Abhijit Puri, Mr. Yogesh Chaudhary, Mr. Sujit Nagre, Ms. Suchita ma'am, Dr. Priyanka Goswami, Mr. Amay Deshpande, and Mr. Vinod Moore. I'm grateful here to sharing us some summary and highlights of our e-magazine Pharma Darpan. Pharma Darpan first issue influences with the blessing and messages of renowned personalities like Dr. Praveen Chaudhary, Dr. Sohan Chitlange, Dr. Vandana Patrave, Dr. Upasani, Dr. Rakesh Sumani, Dr. Mohan Kaisa. In our first issue, the August 20, the 8 PhD awardee news, 22 events and 12 achievement has been published from the different colleges situated in Mumbai region. The next issue, October 2020, based on the theme of Fight Coronavirus, Let's Fight It Together. Issue flourished with the Dr. Munira Momen on a pharmacy as a career. The thoughts was really appreciated. Along with the 2 PhD awards, 10 events. Further, in December 2020 issue, based on the theme, COVID vaccine, a ray of hope, one of the informative issue in which Dr. K.R. Mahadik shared his views on a pharmacy as a career. This issue inputted news from 12 pharmacy colleges of Mumbai region and 4 PhD awardee news. In February 21 issue, embellishment with the 4 news PhD and a special achievement news of patent received by Dr. Munira Momin, grant received by Dr. Supriya Sindhe, best principal award received by Dr. Mohan Kaisa. In February 21 issue, we came with the new section with the title of Know My Institute, which provide a platform to all colleges to share information like institute, about their institute, academic policy of institute, administrative policy, and April 2021 issue based on the theme Online Education, Boon or Ban. We were grateful to read expert talk about the pharmacy as a career from Dr. Milind Umekar sir. April 2021 was enriched by the valuable thoughts shared by Dr. Vandana Patravari and Mrs. Anjali Pandya about the research culture and ethics. April 21 was the issue enriched by the views on national education policy along with where pharmacy stand by Dr. Rakesh Sumani sir. Then we came with the plant trees for better tomorrow was a theme for the 6th edition, June 21, in which the Ideal College of Pharmacy and Yeshwantrao Bonsale College of Pharmacy shared their valuable sharing Know My Institute section. It's a privilege to have this wonderful bunch of the people as colleague. For some of them, no adjective is good enough. Finally, there is one person who needs to be mentioned here with the word for him, fantastic. A great supporter, leader, and Dronacharya of our team, Dr. Rakesh Sumani. I am thankful to all my editorial team members, our guide, patron, Dr. Mohan sir, Dr. Rakesh sir, for dedicated efforts, amount of time, and energy trade towards improving the magazine Pharma Darpan. We would like to say that with the active support of APTI College Coordinator of Mumbai region, Pharma Darpan has successfully completed the 1 year. As an editorial board, our responsibility will be to continue with the advancement of the success of e-magazine by establishing editorial policies that highlight academic activities and achievement. This e-magazine will continue to be a vehicle for promoting effortless communication among teachers in India. Let us grateful to every one of them who had taken the efforts to make it possible to publish this first anniversary edition of e-magazine. We assure you that magazine will continue its commendable work in keeping you updated. I wish in future we get the same support efforts from all APTI college coordinator and my editorial. Thank you. Thank you very much for joining with us. Now I like to hand over my session to Mr. Abhijit sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, one and all. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, it's audible, sir.
Good afternoon, one and all. Happy Independence Day. Sorry. I'm Mr. Abhijit Puri, Assistant Professor, St. John Institute of Pharmacy and Research, Palgar, on behalf of editorial team of Pharma Darpan, would like to request Dr. Mahesh Burande sir to please announce the release of the first anniversary issue of Pharma Darpan. May I now request Dr. Burande sir to take over the session.
Thanks, Dr. Abhijit. Thanks, APTI Mumbai branch, for inviting me to share my experience with all of you. And I'm really happy. In fact, last year, I told Dr. Rakesh Somani, the leader for you in Mumbai, that whatever the activities which you are doing really will build the foundation for the tomorrow's young generation pharmacists. Maybe the students, maybe the young teachers. And looking to your activities today, the Pharma Darpan, Darpan means, you know, the mirror. And when you stand in front of the mirror, a lot of things which you can identify. What is your strength? What is your weakness? What is your threat? And what is your opportunity? And I think every year, when you analyze yourself, a tremendous value addition which you can do. And I'm extremely happy that the first anniversary celebration of Pharma Darpan is happening even during this pandemic, and a lot of activities which you have conducted. It shows the strength of APTI Mumbai branch and ultimately the APTI Maharashtra branch. So I'm extremely happy, and I announce the release of Pharma Darpan on 15th of August, that is 2021, where we are completing more than, I think, 70 years. So congratulations to the team, putting your unending hard work and coming out with a beautiful presentation of Pharma Darpan and inspiring the young generation to build the pharmacy foundation and the contribution. Thank you very much, Abhijit. Back to you.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to request Mr. Prateep Chaskar, sir, to take over the session. Over to you, Prateep, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon. I am Mr. Prateep Chaskar, Assistant Professor, D.Y. Patil University School of Pharmacy, Nerul, Navi Mumbai. And I am here to announce the analytics about the Gyan Ganga. A number of faculties have been actively involved in contributing the e-repository of Gyan Ganga over a period of an year. In total, the repository is flooded with 3,073 e-lectures comprising of 1,167 lectures for diploma, 1,848 lectures for degree in pharmacy, and 58 lectures for masters and GPAT. To appreciate the contributions from faculties, APTI Mumbai branch has decided to award certificates for the contributors. Till date, 10 faculties from different institutes have been awarded with a diamond contributor certificates for contributing more than 100 lectures each. 3 faculties are awarded with gold contributor certificates for contributing more than 50 lectures, whereas 7 faculties were awarded with silver contributor certificates for more than 25 lectures each. The team has also decided to award contributor certificates for those who contribute more than 10 lectures in an edition. Till date, 4 faculties have been awarded with the contributor certificates. That's all for the analytics from my part. I now request Dr. Amol Khade to please continue further.
Thank you, Mr. Prateep. Good afternoon, one and all. This is Dr. Amol Khade, Assistant Professor at Indira Institute of Pharmacy, Sadoli, Ratnagiri. As we are celebrating the first anniversary of Gyan Ganga, an e-repository of APTI Mumbai, we have requested our contributing faculty and beneficiary students to share their feedback about this initiative. Now I request our technical team to please play the video.
Everyone. First and foremost, heartiest congratulations to APTI Mumbai for the anniversary of both of their initiatives, that is e-repository and Pharma Darpan. I have really enjoyed the opportunity to give my contribution for Jnanganga. It was a much needed platform for students as well as teachers, which has been provided by APTI Mumbai during this challenging era of online teaching. It was a sort of push to me also to be a part of this concept of going digital through Jnanganga. We all can understand their efforts behind collecting all the video links, sorting them year wise, and then faculty wise accountability, and further appreciation to each faculty and their colleges. So much of coordination and follow up. Along with Jnanganga, it was honestly a pleasure to see Pharma Darpan growing. The way Pharma Darpan team worked meticulously had continuously impressed me. So great job, APTI. And yes, I also take this opportunity to appreciate all the faculty members, faculty coordinators who have stepped up and took responsibility of all the additional work under the able guidance of Dr. Rakesh Somani sir. Thank you very much, sir, for this opportunity, and all the best, APTI Mumbai. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Harshal Pawar from Dr. L.H. Hiranandani College of Pharmacy, Ulhasnagar. First of all, I would like to congratulate each and every member of APTI Mumbai team for successful release of the 6th edition of the magazine Pharma Darpan. I also worked as an editor for few journals, and I know that it's not so easy and simple to edit and publish a magazine, that too at an interval of 2 months. It involves lots of activities, lots of coordination is required, lots of efforts required to release a good quality magazine. Really, APTI Mumbai region committee members have worked hard. I appreciate their efforts for creating more than 2000 digital e-lectures, voice over PPTs through an e-platform, Jnanganga. At the same time, I also appreciate the efforts taken by faculty members, those who have contributed e-lectures to the Jnanganga. These digital lectures have really helped a lot to pharma graduates of not only Mumbai region but also the students from other universities around India, especially in this pandemic situation. It has really reached to unreached. APTI Mumbai is really doing well, and their efforts will be definitely recognized. I wish all the best to APTI Mumbai region for their future endeavor. Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to give my opinion.
Hello everyone. On behalf of SVKM's Dr. Bhanuben Nanavati College of Pharmacy, I, Dr. Meenal Rane, would like to take this opportunity to express my thanks and appreciate the Jnanganga team, the faculty members who have been contributing effortlessly to this access of academic contents to our students and the faculty members. Thank you so much, and I wish them all the best and to see many more editions in future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Medha Amol Khade, Assistant Professor, Indira Institute of Pharmacy, Sadovli. At the outset, I would like to thank the organizers for giving me an opportunity to express my views on this auspicious occasion of the first anniversary celebration of e-repository Jnanaganga as well as the Pharma Darpan. Let me take this opportunity to congratulate Dr. R.R. Somani, Joint Secretary, APTI Mumbai State Branch, and the team for successful completion of 1 year of various activities under the two heads. I would also like to thank Dr. R.R. Somani for providing us with such an important platform so that we could contribute towards this educational field in the form of videos. This platform, Jnanaganga, has made it possible for the beginners like me to grow in this particular field. We, the teachers of Konkan region, are not only restricted to the Konkan region, but this platform has even helped us to reach the other regions like the Mumbai region. So also the appreciation, the time to time appreciation which is given by APTI has also added to our enthusiasm so that we could contribute more and more in this educational field, so that we could reach not even at the national level but also at the international level. With Dhanaganga, the encouragement which we have received, it has helped us to reach the diamond level of contribution in the e-repository, that is the Dhanaganga. With this, my best wishes with the APTI for their future endeavors. Thank you very much.
Myself, Mrs. Manisha Yogesh Chaudhary from Bharati Vidyapit Institute of Pharmacy, CBD Belapur, Navi Mumbai. I would like to express my views on the magnificent anniversary occasion of APTI Mumbai region initiatives, Pharma Darpan and Jnana Ganga. Pharma Darpan, which is a e-magazine wherein all the institutes' various activities are being published, through which all the institutes can keep connected, and Jnana Ganga, which is a e-repositories wherein various educational videos are being uploaded by the faculties of different institutions for diploma pharmacy students, B.Pharm, M.Pharm student, because of which the exchange of thought has become easier now, and students has also benefited a lot in their academics through these educational videos, and sharing the knowledge which was not that easy in earlier days, which Jnana Ganga has made it easy now. And I would like to thank for this same to the team of Pharma Darpan as well as Jnana Ganga for providing us such a great opportunity, and I would like to wish all the very best to the team for their future endeavors. Thank you.
United mind is the most powerful weapon on the earth, above the earth and under the earth, and this is got through education, and education is the most powerful investment for the future. Hello everyone, on behalf of Ideal College of Pharmacy and Research, I am Suvarna Patil, have a great honor and privilege to take this opportunity to thanks and appreciate Jnana Ganga team, the faculty members for their creativity and support to the students through repository of academic study material. Thank you for working so hard and putting selfless efforts. I wish them all the very best to see more additions in the future. Thank you so much.
On behalf of APTI Mumbai, I thank each and everyone for sharing their valuable feedback and boosting our confidence to continue such activities in more efficient way in the coming future. Now I request Dr. Bhushan Rane to take over the session.
Thank you, sir. Myself, Dr. Bhushan Rane, HOD at Studies Department at CDD School College of Pharmacy and Research Center, Panvel. Good afternoon to all respected guests, team members, APTI college coordinators, principals of different colleges, and dear friends. On behalf of APTI Mumbai region core team, I appreciate the efforts taken by the team members of all the teams of APTI Mumbai region, that is Pharma Darpan, Jnana Ganga, e-repository team, and our webinar team under the kind mentorship of Dr. Rakesh Somani sir, who is our Dronacharya. First of all, I am thankful to Somani sir for his motivation and continuous encouragement and support 24/7 for all the types of activities. Next, I would like to appreciate the efforts of Pharma Darpan team members, Mr. Pritam Juvatkar, Mr. Abhijit Puri, Mr. Yogesh Chaudhary, Mr. Sujit Nagare, Dr. Priyanka Goswami, Ms. Suchita Gokhale, Mr. Vinod Mule, and Mr. Amay Deshpande. These all the team members of Pharma Darpan are actively involved in the publication activity of this event, and a lot of efforts are taken by this team just like collection of news from different colleges of Mumbai region, the articles, the messages, the specific that know my institute new initiative, and it is to be published in that Pharma Darpan on the 15th day of, it is a bi-monthly edition. So I appreciate the efforts. I also appreciate the efforts taken by the Gyan Ganga team members. As we know, due to pandemic situation, the students can't able to access the library facility. And to solve the problems of the students, the APTI Mumbai whole team started this initiative with an aim specifically to just the students will be get benefited. So here, all the team members, Dr. Sandeep Zine, myself, Dr. Bhushan Rane, Dr. Amol Khade, Mr. Yogesh Chaudhary, Mr. Sujit Nagare, Mr. Nitin Kolle, and Mr. Pradeep Chaskar, all are actively involved in this activity, as during this each month through the Google form, the different faculty members of that Mumbai region colleges, they just upload their YouTube videos to this Google form. All the YouTube videos are collected, they get segregated as per according to the classes and the programs, that is DPharm, BPharm, MPharm, for competitive examinations also, that is GPAT likewise. And after that segregation, this e-learning material is published on the 25th day of each month. So as well as in that PDF format it is published, it is also updated on the YouTube channel of APTI Mumbai region. And through the APTI Blogspot, it is also accessible to the students. So this is a very good initiative. So that's why the students can access it for their updation of the knowledge. Now, next, I would like to appreciate the efforts taken by podcast and e-webinar team. This is also one of the initiative of Mumbai APTI, that region core team. So that APTI Mumbai region started this activity today with an aim to aware the young generation scientists, the faculty members, the students about the recent developments in the pharma field, the technologies, and to update their knowledge. So I appreciate the efforts taken by podcast e-webinar team, Mrs. Rushali Kir, Dr. Sandeep Zine, Dr. Surendra Agrawal, and Dr. Absupiyan Sheikh for their active involvement in this activity. So thank you very much to all the team members of all these teams for their initiatives. This is additional work, but still they are enthusiastically involved in these activities. So, and I wish all the best for this all activities in future. Now I hand over to Mrs. Suchita Gupta. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Bhushan Rane. Now we are moving forward a most weighted movement, the announcement of award. We have made two categories.
Sorry to interrupt you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I request the technical team to play the feedback video of students also. We have collected the feedback from our end users about the Gyan Ganga e-repository. Yeah, please.
Nita madam, please check audio.
Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Arun Karle, student of first year MPharm Pharmaceutics Department from Sri D.D. Vispute College of Pharmacy and Research Center, Panvel. During this COVID pandemic, due to lockdown, we are unable to reach our college library, so we are not getting any book and study material. But good thing is that APTI, Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers of India, Mumbai region, they prepared one digital platform by the name of Gnan Ganga, where we are getting all the study material, PDF, study notes, all these things we are getting over there. So this is very useful and beneficial to us. Our college PG in charge and APTI coordinator Dr. Bhushan Rane sir shared all these study material notes and link with us, which is very useful for us. So I would like to thank all the APTI members who taken the efforts for this program, which is very useful for all the students. And also I would like to thank our Dr. Bhushan Rane sir who shared all these notes and study material with us. Thank you.
2020, what 10 year, एकदम यादगार. In between all of this, it is just not possible for us to discontinue our education. Our hardworking teachers are taking so much pain to perform extraordinarily via online platforms so that we don't miss an essence of our regular classes. असाच एक पुढाकार घेतला आहे आपल्या टीचर्स. APTI मुंबई रीजन ज्ञान गंगा इज एन ई रिपोजिटरी, मतलब एक ऑनलाइन लाइब्रेरी ही समझिए, जहाँ पे आपको आप ही के फील्ड के हर एकेडमिक ईयर के सब्जेक्ट वाइज चैप्टर रिलेटेड नोट्स एंड वीडियोस मिलेंगे, सरल आसान शब्द और भाषा में. पिछले 1 साल से ज्ञान गंगा हैज बीन वर्किंग टायरलेसली टू मेक श्योर दैट स्टूडेंट्स हैव एन एक्सीलेंट रिजल्ट्स अमंग themselves. Gyan Ganga is always handy. It's like searching for a normal YouTube video. YouTube पे जाओ, सर्च बार में सर्च करो और सीधा आपके सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड सारा का सारा कंटेंट आ जाता है. And Gyan Ganga website has been helping many students since last year because काफी सारी बुक्स है जो कि हर स्टूडेंट अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाता. But YouTube and internet has been made for us ताकि वो हमारा काम आसान कर पाए. All of this has been done क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया, करेक्ट, तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया.
Gyan Ganga makes the best way of learning for us. In pandemic, most of the teacher comes up with the online teaching and great knowledge through Gyan Ganga.
It just not only clears a topic, but teachers across the Mumbai University region gives best lectures to us in a very correct manner and with best teaching.
It is not only limited to the one subject, but the teachers from all the subject of pharmacy are here to teach us live or exclusive, and this not only helps us to learn, but also to get the best knowledge from the brilliant faculties.
And under the one umbrella, it is done by APTI for the students. We are very thankful to them for this wonderful curriculum. We wish we could gain more and more knowledge and simple learning from teachers across Maharashtra and various universities from all over India.
In today's online world, students tend to use social platform more, and hence Gyan Ganga emphasizes online learning. Thank you.
Hello everyone, it's a pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Kashi Oja, student of final year B.Pharm of Ideal College of Pharmacy and Research affiliated to Mumbai University. Pharma Darpan is one of the exciting platforms which provides an opportunity to the student to enhance their inner talent and to achieve the great success in their respective area of interest. It also gives them a kind of confidence to build their inner personality in a very unique way. It compresses our beloved teachers' achievement and also a student's achievement. This platform unites each and every individual of the institute and faculty member under one roof.
APTI Mumbai region.
Important role in each and every individual's life. Gyan Ganga is such a platform which gives a tremendous and immense knowledge to the student. It also provides a detailed knowledge of topic covered under the syllabus of Mumbai University. It showcases all the PDFs and videos of the topic of all the subjects. This great platform is incomplete without the contribution of our teachers. Our talented teachers have done a great job in explaining each and every point in such a simpler way that it is very easy to understand and to remember it all for a long time. I wholeheartedly thanks to all the members of Pharma Darpan and Gyan Ganga team for all their efforts and dedication towards this. Thank you.
Hi, myself Khush Jain, currently in third year B Pharm, studying in D.Y. Patil University School of Pharmacy, Nerul Navi, Mumbai. So I would like to appreciate this great initiative like Jnana Ganga, repository of academic study material. It has truly helped me a lot in studying and clearing all type of doubts, and it has given me some great extra information based on the subject. All notes and the recorded lectures, they are of utmost importance as it has created a huge base for knowledge in me. It has also given me a positive helping hand for my revision. So I show my gratitude and personal acknowledge this initiative. Thanking all the professors for taking such a good initiative and making us understand in the best possible way. Thank you.
Hello everyone. This is Nikul Narendra Patel from Indira Institute of Pharmacy, Sadam. E-repository Jnana Ganga itself resembles the name of holy river Ganga. As we all know how the holy river Ganga is important in our Indian culture and tradition. It is not just the symbol as a river, but it is the symbol of faith with hope, culture, sanity and livelihood for many peoples. And for many peoples, it has brightened up the future across the country. In the same way, e-repository Jnana Ganga, the academic material, has also been an advantage to we all students to brighten up our future, and which has been created by young and experienced pharmacy teachers to gain the knowledge in the pharmacy field to all the students across the country. I thank all the teachers for creating such a beautiful academic material and to allow students to learn at their own pace of time with all sort of academic materials. Thank you.
Thank you, dear students, for your kind words and sharing your feedback. It definitely gave us a certification for the contributing teachers that these videos are really helpful. It gives a confidence also to the team Jnana Ganga of APTI Mumbai to continue this activity in a right way. Now, I request Suchita madam to take over the session.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Amol Khade, sir. Now we are moving forward. Most awaited movement, the announcement of award. We have made two categories, Best Contributor Faculty and Best Contributing Institute. For last 1 year in Jnana Ganga, I request Dr. Milind Umerkar, sir, to announce Best Contributing Faculty in Jnana Ganga. Third position, second position, and the first position respectively.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
First of all, thank you for inviting me for this first anniversary program of the Jnana Ganga and Pharma Darpan. I congratulate all the contributors for this success. The total of Jnana Ganga. So I once again congratulate all the college coordinators, all the teachers, and the team leader, Mr. Rakesh Suman, for his efforts and successful completion of 1 year. So now it's the time to announce the award to the best contributor for the Jnana Ganga. And the third prize goes to Mrs. Manisha Chaudhary, Assistant Professor of Bharatiya Vidyapit College of Pharmacy, Navi Mumbai. The second prize goes to Srutali Pilankar, Indira Institute of Pharmacy, Sadawali. And the first prize goes to Mrs. Megha Khade, Assistant Professor, Indira College Institute of Pharmacy, Sadawali. So I congratulate all the winners of this Jnana Ganga, and I also congratulate entire team of APTI Mumbai region, working under the flagship of APTI Maharashtra. It's really a unique idea of Jnana Ganga because it's really a need for the students in this COVID pandemic. There are a lot of platforms available on the media, but still the students like to learn from their own teachers. And really it's appreciable for the entire APTI team of Mumbai region that provide this single platform to the students of Mumbai region. So once again, I congratulate and thank you for inviting me for this wonder to meet with this wonderful team of APTI Mumbai. And we are expecting a lot of celebration, lot of anniversary in future. So once again, thank you and congratulate Dr. Somani.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. Congratulations to all winners. Moving further, award who must have taken some extra efforts. So further, will acknowledge the best contributing institute in Gyan Ganga. I request Dr. S.B. Bari, sir, to announce the results, third position, second, and the first, respectively.
Thank you, madam. Is it audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible.
Yes, fine. So wish you very happy Independence Day to all of you. First, really, I am thankful for inviting me on such occasion and appreciate all the efforts which I have taken to exhibit the first anniversary celebration of the Pharma Darpan and Gyan Ganga. I really congratulate all the team members, convener, my esteemed friend, Dr. Rakesh Somani, with coordinator, Mr. Pritam Zuvatkar, Dr. Sandeep Jine, and all team members. So, Honorable Dr. Mahesh Burande, sir, former President, APTI, National Branch, Honorable Director, IPR Pune, respected Dr. Milind Umekar, sir, Vice President, APTI, National Branch, Dr. Manoj Chade, Secretary, APTI, Maharashtra State Branch. It's a really great moment to announce awards for the best contributing institution. The third award goes to Anjuman Islam Kalsekar Technical Campus School of Pharmacy. Second award goes to Bharati Vidyapit Institute of Pharmacy. First award goes to Indira Institute of Pharmacy. So I congratulate all the best contributor institution in the Gyan Ganga. So thank you one and all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations to all winners. We'll move on further. I request Rushali ma'am to take over. Ma'am, please.
Thank you, Suchita madam. I am Rushali Keer, Assistant Professor, Met Institute of Pharmacy, and I am a member of the APTI Mumbai Region Pharma Connect team. So a very good afternoon to all present here and a happy Independence Day. As we know, we are all gathered here to celebrate the successful completion of the first year of the APTI Mumbai Region initiatives of Pharma Darpan and Jnana Ganga. After such an overwhelming response from the teachers and students, I'm sure we have all heard the testimonials. So looking at the previous initiatives that were actually born due to the need of the pandemic times and to overcome the hurdles of knowledge sharing. And we all know that we have succeeded par excellence. So to add on to the previous bag of goodies, we now have a new initiative lined up to help the students as well as the teachers. And to keep up with the millennials and the Generation Z, we have a new effort of Pharma Connect. I'm very glad to inform you that we are taking a step further to climb the ladder higher. Today, we are about to unveil our series of webinar, Karya Kaushalam. It is rightly called Karya Kaushalam as the purpose of conducting the webinars is to upskill our faculty as well as the students to the industry standards of the global pharma industry. So now I take this opportunity to request our distinguished guest, Dr. Manoj Chade, to announce the opening of the Karya Kaushalam webinar series. Over to you, sir.
Yeah. Hello, I'm audible?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, Rushali. First of all, I'm thankful to all the organizing team and especially to Somani sir for inviting me to this wonderful function. And as said by Dr. Burande sir, really this will be the value addition program what you people are carrying out and what the efforts you people are taking out. So I really congratulate to the team and the dynamic leader of this team for the great success. So now we have to announce the awards for this, right?
No, sir. This is opening of the series. Today we are starting a new initiative. So it's a webinar series.
So
that
this
we
is the
doing.
webinar series that Karya Kaushalyam is taking up the new initiative for the webinar series. So I announce that this is open. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. So actually the Karya Kaushalam webinar series starts today with an eminent speaker, Dr. Ranjit Barshikar. And the first topic that he has chosen today to talk about is digitalization, which is the future of the pharma industry and the importance of digital literacy in today's pharma industry. So this is at 4 p.m. today. And I'm glad to inform all of you that we have received more than 500 registrations as of yesterday for this lecture. And it will be conducted over the Zoom platform as well as telecasted live on the YouTube for a larger reach. I'm sure that we will receive the same enthusiastic participation from all teachers and students for this endeavor as well. I now request Dr. Ameya Deshpande to take up the session further. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Rushaliki. I am Ameya Deshpande, D.Y. Patil School of Pharmacy, Navi Mumbai. It is my honor to introduce to you our guest today, Dr. Manoj Charde, sir, Secretary, APTI, Maharashtra State. Dr. Charde is Assistant Professor and Head of PG Department in Government College of Pharmacy, Karad. He has 17 years of teaching and research experience. Dr. Charde's research expertise include diverse fields ranging from analytical method development to exploring novel biomaterial for drug delivery, and from impurity and degradation profile to phytochemical and phytopharmacological investigation. So he is efficiently active in all 4 subjects of pharmacy research. After completing his diploma in pharmacy in 1998, he pursued his bachelor's, master's, and PhD from Department of Pharmaceutical Science, RTM, Nagpur University. Sir has 89 international and national papers published on his name, and he has presented 72 papers on international and national platforms. Dr. Charde has 2 patents on his name and has filed for 5 more patents. Sir has guided 55 MPharm research students and 3 PhD students. Sir has many significant projects, awards, and nominations received on his name worth rupees 2.2 crores, including Career Award for Young Teacher from AICT, MODROP, DSIR PACE, and Prerana Project again from AICT. Now I invite Dr. Charde to address our eager audience. Over to you, Charde, sir.
Yes, I'm audible.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So thank you very much, Amay sir. The esteemed guest, the former president of National APTI, Dr. Mahesh Burande sir, the dynamic vice president of National APTI, Dr. Milind Umekar sir, our friend, the vice president of Maharashtra State APTI, Dr. S.B. Bari sir, the joint secretary of Maharashtra State APTI, the Rakesh Somani sir, all the team members and audience. So thank you very much. As this is the function which I am attending, it's a very big gap. After that, I'm seeing here the things are going to happen on the, and Dr. Somani sir is taking a lot of efforts to make this happen. So these are the 3 programs that your APTI regional branch Mumbai is taking for Pharma Darpan, Jnanaganga e-repository and podcast e-webinar series. So definitely all these 3 things making the people get updated with the knowledge. Especially I have seen the feedbacks which obtained from the students, from the faculties. I really overwhelmed. This is an very after taking the normal workload, after that this team is working to make this thing successful. So I really congratulate to the team leader and the organizing team and the team which are there for the editorial board also. Value addition is required for each and everyone, because when we are in the field, we are always learning and teaching. So to get that, there are something new which is to be there, because as we know from the last 2 years, we are suffering from the pandemic. And in that case, our student that are losing the concept which we need or which will get in the face-to-face teaching. So in that case, the YouTubes or the things which are made available virtually, that definitely help to these people, the student, to make them updated with the knowledge and the practical virtual concept, which I can say. So this is the very good idea, and probably every region should adopt this so that the student may get enriched with the knowledge which is not there now, because we are schools are closed down, everything is closed now, and still we are struggling here to have the good percentage of knowledge to the student. Anyway, this time will also it will be abolished soon, so that we will be in the colleges and the classroom, because as said by the Umekar sir, we are really missing the student. And if students are not there in the college, we definitely be like a single man standing in a auditorium or in the, what we can say, the coach. So it's like a very it's not good for a teacher that student is not there. So my best wishes to the organizing team to do the things not only for the Mumbai region but throughout the Maharashtra, so that the team from the Maharashtra APTI will also help them to take this in a big platform. And I am confident that under the guidance of Somani sir and the Mohan Kade sir, this will be flourished and it will reach us to the height. So definitely we have the good team. Umekar sir is there, PD Chaudhary sir is there, Burande sir is there. They will also help. And I really surprised to hear that thousands of lectures they have conducted. So it's really good. So once again, congratulate to all of you. And thank you very much for inviting me to attend this program. I'm really glad. So thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your thoughts. Now I request Mr. Abhijit Puri to take the session further. Over to you, Mr. Abhijit Puri.
Thank you, Dr. Amay. I, Mr. Abhijit Puri, Assistant Professor, St. John Institute of Pharmacy and Research, would like to introduce to you today's guest, Dr. Sanjay Bari, Vice President, APTI State Branch, Maharashtra. We are privileged to have him as a guest. Dr. Sanjay B. Bari is a Principal and Professor at H.R. Patel Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Shirpur District, Dhule. He has 24 years of experience. He has guided 67 MPharm students, 12 PhD students, and 2 students are registered under him. He has received 6 patents. He has 161 research publications in national and international journals. Sir's cumulative impact factor is 80, citation score is 2,758. His H index is 27 and I-10 index is 70. He has published more than 14 books as author and co-author in academic place elsewhere, Lambert publication, CBS publication, Career publication, and Nirali publication. He has received several fundings and research projects like 15 lakhs Moderate project, Moderate grant, and FDP grants from AICT. He has attended many conferences, FDPs, and presented papers at international and national conferences. He has also been a resource person for national seminars, QIPs, workshops, and conferences. He is a life member of IPA, IST, APTI, ISP, and ICS. Dr. Sanjay B. Bari has received Best Publication Award 2012 from V Life Sciences Pune and also Dr. P.D. Sethi Annual Awards 2011 and 2013. He is a Vice President, APTI State Branch, Maharashtra, Chairman, Board of Studies in Pharmaceutical Chemistry at KBCMMU Jalgaon. He's Academic Council Member, Advisory Committee Member at SRT-MU Nanded. He's a Coordinator, Dean of Pharmacy Faculty at NMU Jalgaon and Chairman of Ad hoc Research and Recognition Committee for the subject of Pharmacy, NMU Jalgaon. Academic Council Member also. With this brief introduction, I would like to request Dr. Sanjay B. Bari sir to take over the session. Sir, kindly take over the session.
Thank you, sir, Dr. Puri sir, for nice introduction. I'm really happy to see the Pharma Darpan and Gyan Ganga as well as the Karyakoshalam activities. The efforts which have been taken under the guidance of the convener, Dr. Rakesh Somani sir, and all his team members. Even though there are the various challenges in the pandemic situation, but you have overcome all these challenges and you have been continued the efforts for the Pharma Darpan and as well as Gyan Ganga and Karyakoshalam. You have been conducted 1,000 webinar series. That is the wonderful. I'm really surprised to know all these activities from the APTI Mumbai regional branch. And on this occasion of the celebration, I really appreciate and one should take the initiation for the rest of the Maharashtra branch with the help of the Dr. Rakesh Somani sir. And I request all these body members to take the follow-up and as well as the guidance for the taking the initiation at rest of the regions. Because the teachers who is responsible to cope up with all the current needs of the students, and that has been reflected and executed all the activities by APTI Mumbai regional branch. I really congratulate and I wish you all the best for the coming activities also. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your motivating words. May now I call upon Dr. Amol Khade, sir, to take over the session. Over to you, Dr. Amol, sir.
Thank you, Sir Abhijit Puri. It gives me an immense pleasure to introduce well-known personality in the field of pharmacy, respected guest Dr. Milind Umekar, sir, current Vice President of APTI National and renowned academician. He has completed his B.Pharm from SGB Amravati University and has M.Pharm and PhD degree in the pharmacy from RTM Nagpur University. He has also pursued his MBA and PhD in management from RTM Nagpur University. He has total 24 years of vast academic and administrative experience and currently working as Principal Srimati Kishoritai Bhoyer, College of Pharmacy, Kamptee, Nagpur. He is a very good administrator, researcher, and importantly, very good academician. To highlight his few accomplishments, under his able leadership, his college got accredited by NBA, NAC with the highest grade, listed in NIRF ranking, AICTE C2 ranking. He faced grant of rupees 175 lakhs to his college from the various government and private agencies. With 221 publications, H index of 90 and research grant worth rupees 52.26 lakhs highlights his contribution towards the research. He has guided 77 M.Pharms and 7 PhDs. He was also shortlisted for the post of Vice Chancellor, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. He is a member of editorial board of many journals of national and international repute. He has received many academic excellence awards. To name few of them: IPERS Principal Year of the Award, Ideal Principal Award, Fellow of Indian Pharmacological Society, 54th IPC Trust Pharmacy Teacher of the Year Award, Maharashtra Pharmacists Association Award. Besides this, he is associated with many professional organizations. He is also a NAC assessor, inspector of the regulatory authorities like PCI, AICTE, and DT. He is member, subject expert on various committees of different universities in India. He is a founder secretary of Pharma HR Society of India, Vice President, Indian Society of Pharmacognosy, Council member, IPA Maharashtra branch, member, IPC Association, executive member, Indian Pharmacological Society, and he has also served as president of APTI Maharashtra State. Sir, with this brief introduction, I request Dr. Milind Umekar sir to address the gathering. Please, sir.
Amol, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Amol. Today's chief guest, our mentor, respected Dr. Mahesh Burande, the former president of APTI National and director, IPA Pune. My big brother and my good friend, Dr. J. Bari, vice president of APTI Maharashtra State. My colleague and my good friend, Dr. Manoj Sarde, the active secretary of the APTI Maharashtra State. The joint secretary and the convener of the program, Dr. Rakesh Somani. All the coordinators of the various institutes and my dear friends. Today it's really a great pleasure for me to be here with and sharing the platform along with the great academicians like Burande sir and Bari sir and Dr. Charde sir. I'm also thankful to Dr. Rakesh Somani that he invited me to interact with the various coordinators, college coordinators and the teachers of the APTI Mumbai region. Friends, this program recall me the old memories of my tenure as a president of Maharashtra State. And we work under the leadership, that time we work under the leadership of Dr. Mahesh Burande, the national president of APTI. We conduct a lot of many activities and programs throughout the Maharashtra. Also, we conduct various activities in the Mumbai region also with the support of our Vice President, Dr. Anil Pethe, and Dr. Munira Mumin and Dr. Anuradha Muzumdar. But these programs conducted by the Dr. Somani and his team is really a unique programs and organized specially for the Mumbai region. Because we found that many times the Mumbai region is not active in the APTI, but due to Somani sir, now we are sure that definitely the APTI Mumbai region will be definitely active, and it we can say it work like a separate state branch of national. As it's already a branch of Maharashtra only, but it is really working is really good. And as per the request of the Vice President of Maharashtra State and Secretary of the Maharashtra State, you can expand your working throughout the Maharashtra and provide these facilities of Pharma Darpan and especially on Gyan Ganga. You can provide that Gyan Ganga to the students of throughout the Maharashtra also. Today, I congratulate all the contributors who contribute to create this platform for the students in this pandemic situation, for their contribution, effortless contribution. And I congratulate all the team members and Dr. Somani for the successful, joyful and effortful completion of 1 year for Pharma Darpan and Gyan Ganga. I also wish best luck for the Karya Kaushalyam, which is the new initiative and new idea from the mind of Dr. Somani. You can say it's a brainchild of Dr. Somani. So I wish best luck for all these activities. And I am sure this teamwork and effortful journey will definitely celebrate more anniversaries of such events. And we are expecting your contribution at state level as per the demand of the state office bearer. And you are also one of the team member of the state APTI. So once again, thanks to each and every contributor. Today on this platform, I definitely like to think that many times people ask what the association is doing, but Mumbai region shows that what the members can do for the association. And really, it's a wonderful that all the members contribute and they create a wonderful platform for the students. I think it's a perfect contribution from the teachers for the student during such a pandemic situation. So once again, I congratulate and really thankful for inviting us to share the platform with Dr. Burande, Dr. Bari, and Dr. Charde. So once again, I personally congratulate Dr. Rakesh Somani for his efforts because to organize any event or to conduct any event is not a big task, but to give the continuity and celebrate the anniversary, it's really a big achievement. And you achieved that milestone. So once again, congratulations and thank you on behalf of entire team of APTI National. I congratulate APTI Maharashtra and APTI Mumbai and the leadership of Dr. Somani. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, now I request
Dr. Amol, तुम्हाला yeah, please take it further.
Yes, sir. So definitely, sir, under the guidance of Dr. Rakesh Somani, sir, we'll definitely take this Jnana Ganga activities at the state level with the help of APTI Maharashtra branch. Thank you, sir, for giving your thought. Now I request Mr. Yogesh Chaudhary to take over the session.
Thank you, Dr. Amol Khade. I, Mr. Yogesh Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Dr. L.H. Hiranandani College of Pharmacy, would like to take this privilege to introduce one of the well-known faculty or one of the well-known personality of the pharmacy profession, that is Dr. Mahesh Burande. Dr. Mahesh Burande has over 38 years of rich experience in the pharmacy profession as a pharma consultant, trainer, and academician. He has worked as a pharmaceutical consultant and trainer for more than hundreds of pharmaceutical companies, including the names like Sun Pharma, Glaxo, Baxter, Wockhardt, Alkem, Cipla, and many more. He had also developed an innovative GMP, quality, productivity, safety, and mainly positive attitude display, which are useful not only at the local level, but also to the WHO, GMP, MHRA, MCC, TGA, and even up to the US FDA certification program. Sir is a good leader. Under his leadership as an honorary director, IPER has flourished. Asia Pharma Leaders has awarded IPER as the India's most promising consulting and training institute at the 5th Annual Pharmaceutical Leadership Summit and Business Leadership Award in 2012. To promote the pharmacy profession in India, sir has served as a president of Indian Pharmaceutical Association Pune branch, vice president of IPA Pharmacy Community Pharmacy Division, president APTI India at a national level. He is also a recipient of a different awards like Best Young Pharmacy Teacher Award from APTI in 1997-98, IPA Fellowship Award in 2002, Doyen of a Pharmacy Profession in 2002 by the Drug Inspector and Welfare Association, then Lifetime Achievement Award from a Purely Chemist Forum, and he is also a recipient of a prestigious IAPSC Pharmaceutical Profession of the Year 2011. Dr. Mahesh Burande had got the highest honor in the pharmacy profession to become the president of 69th IPC, that is Indian Pharmaceutical Congress, which is held in Punjab in December 2017. Sir is also promoting the stronger pharma academics and industry interaction in India. So he had started one of its first kind of a laboratory, that is public testing laboratory and manufacturing unit at Pune College of Pharmacy. And it is unique because it has given the opportunity to the B.Pharm students for the developing their skill while they are doing their B.Pharm. Sir is also associated with Indian Pharmaceutical Congress Trust Pune as a secretary, which is involved in giving the awards to the pharmacists who are doing the outstanding work in the pharmacy profession. Sir is working for his dream along with the Nobel cause of His Excellency Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, ex-President of India, that is the India should be a pharma superpower. Sir always says that is let our every effort build the pharmacy profession. Okay, so sir, we expect that is you are guiding us for building the pharmacy profession and contributing a small effort from our side. So with this brief introduction, I would like to request Dr. Mahesh Burande sir to address the audience. Over to you.
Yeah, thanks Yogesh for a very brief introduction. And literally, I'm really thinking that whether I have done so many things in last 35 years. According to me, what I can do in the future is most important. That is my past. So whatever the time which I have, I think a lot of work which we have to do together. A dynamic Vice President, Dr. Milind Umekar. Kar means hand. And the role of the hand is doing the hard work as well as the worship. We remember Dr. Milind Umekar for his contribution as a president, Maharashtra State Branch in my team when I was the president. And the APTI Bulletin, Maharashtra, which is the legacy of Dr. Pramod Yavle, which he carried, added many values with various activities for the development of personality of the student. Really inspired me. The current leader, the future leader of APTI, Dr. Milind Umekar, I'm very much happy to share this platform with you today. Vice President, Dr. Sanjay Bari, working from Shirpur and giving the shape to the rural students with various activities, which really motivates me whenever I get opportunity to go to the Shirpur. And Dr. Manoj Charade, very efficient, very effective person, representing from the government side, not taking the holiday today, but on this platform, and from Karad, Government College of Pharmacy, Karad, where I got many opportunities to develop my personality because of Dr. Bise. Dr. Manoj, you are also doing the good job. Dr. Rakesh Somani, the Joint Secretary of APTI Maharashtra Branch, and as Dr. Milind has rightly said, he made actually the APTI Mumbai branch, Mumbai local branch, I can say, very active. And today we have seen the performance of his team. Somani, that Ani, I was seeing the web series Ani Kai Hava. After doing all this activity, I think the students you are putting the question, Tumala ani kai hava? Such a wonderful actually contribution, your 3 products which you have done, whether it is a Pharma Darpan, whether it is a Jnana Ganga, and now Karya Kaushalyam, opening with a great batsman at the age of 70, Ranjit Varshikar, the man from the QBD. I think all these actually 3 products, you should take the registration. Such activity which you are doing. It's a marketing product, I can say, for the pharmacy students. Friends, coming to this platform inspires me because I am also developed as a student from Mumbai University. I completed my B.Pharm in 1980, 3-year program from K.M. Kundanani College of Pharmacy, Ulhasnagar. Dr. J.K. Lala was my guru as well as my principal. The foundation which Mumbai University has given me, I think that inspired me to do more and more. And when we say APTI Mumbai branch, I think Dr. Milind, you are rightly put, we should upgrade the status of Mumbai branch. In the Ranji Trophy, we have the Mumbai team separate and Maharashtra team is separate.
Right, sir.
So that is almost equalizing the rest of the Maharashtra. And such team, Dr. Rakesh, which you have developed along with Dr. Mohan Kale. I am very much impressed that the foundation work with Jnana Darpan, 2000 e-lectures, what a foundation which you have given. During our time, when I delivered the lecture, even Dr. Milind Omekar also knows, or maybe actually Dr. Manoj, the recording was not possible. And today everything is recorded. That means the legacy is created. Documentation, documentation, and documentation is the principle of our good manufacturing practices. And even today, in good teaching practices, I think whatever you do is going to be documented so that the legacies will be created. It's the best platform for the teacher who can take your actually skill to the international level. If you develop that skill, you will be required at the international platform. Money will come, don't worry about the money. But the contribution which you will make in the pharmacy profession to save the life and nurture the life, it will be tremendous. Friends, pharmacy profession has given me everything. I'm also equally actually congratulating your team, especially Pritam Juvatkar as a coordinator and Dr. Sachin June coordinating this activity along with your team members. I think coordinating is the skill in the management, along with planning, organizing, directing, dedicating. Coordination is most important. And the way your team is coordinating all this activity, whether it is 2000 e-lectures or actually taking the best from the teachers in Pharma Darpan and now starting the web series with all experts, I think it will make a big difference. And making the difference in the life of other people is the job which teachers are doing. And that's why teaching is a novel profession. Friends, I got the opportunity at Bharati Vidyapit Pune College of Pharmacy when I became the teacher. But I came from industry. And when I came from industry, I was thinking that what I can apply in my lecture so that the students' interest will be created and they can think beyond during continuing or maybe completing my syllabus. That is the platform which was given by Bharati Vidyapit Pune College of Pharmacy. But along with that platform, first time when I got the opportunity through the APTI, the convention was there, the first convention at JSS College of Pharmacy, Mysore in 95, 96, I think. Dr. B.G. Nagavi has taken the lead. And in that convention, one activity was there, the paper presentation, like many activities which you are doing in the Mumbai branch at present. I presented my paper that how the technology, that time which was available, the audio visual which I was utilizing, that was my paper presentation. And since it was the digitalization during my time, today it is much easier. That paper was accepted and I got the first award in my life that was for the digitalization or the digital marketing in the pharma teaching. that inspires me. The platform is provided by APTI. And then I decided, why don't actually I should join and put all my efforts, whatever the skill I have developed, to bring APTI for the professionalism. I got the opportunity. Initially, I worked as a council member. Then we organized the Congress, the first actually APTI convention under the leadership of Dr. Bhise at Government College of Pharmacy, Karad. Many of us, actually, we were there. There also, I got the award as a best teacher, as I think Mr. Chowdhury has actually told in my biodata. Again, I got the inspiration that I must do more and more. Now the movie of Batra has come, Dil Mange More. So I think opportunity which I got through the APTI to give more and more, Dil Mange More. I wanted to contribute more and more. And then I got the opportunity and the APTI made me the vice president. Later, you know, APTI made me the president, giving that chair. And again, the highest honor I can always consider lucky. Thanks, Dr. Mili Nomekar, Dr. Praveen Chowdhury, and all the national team that time to actually promote me as a president of Indian Pharmaceutical Congress in 2017. I never thought I was an ordinary teacher at Bharati Vidyapith Pune College of Pharmacy, but opportunities which I got because of the APTI platform, I became the president. Today, I think my life is fulfilled. Pharmacy profession has given me everything what I was looking for. The teaching profession has really satisfied me because many teachers actually inspired me, including Dr. J.K. Lala, Dr. Chandrakant Kokate, Dr. B. Suresh, Professor B.G. Shivananda, Dr. R.S. Gaud. All of them really inspired me, provided me the platform to put my hard work. And I think that satisfaction which I received today, besides my basic job of teaching, made me what I'm going to contribute maybe in the future. Friends, skill is important. As in Sanskrita, it is said, Sarvada Vigyata Vijaya. That means skill always wins. Our job as a teacher to develop that skill. Whatever the opportunity we get, whether it is through the online, whether it is through the digital, whether it is offline, whenever we will conduct the practical, whenever we get the opportunity, try to develop certain skills in the student. Develop their confidence. That is our objective. That's why we became the teacher. The highest honor the God has given us that He made us the teacher. Whether it was the first choice, second choice, third choice, forget it. Teaching profession will give you the biggest opportunity of your life. Your all needs will be satisfied. And it will be the biggest satisfaction which you will receive, which all of us are actually enjoying today. Friends, yesterday only, why yesterday? Today only, I got the opportunity to go to Film and Television Institute of India, FTII, where my wife is working in the television wing. And recently, the television wing, they have renamed as a Pula Deshpande, PL Deshpande, as a TV wing because of contribution of PL Deshpande. Many of us, बऱ्याच जणांनी आपण PL देशपांडे म्हणजे पु ल देशपांड्यांची पुस्तकं वाचली असतील. नसतील तर डेफिनेटली तुम्ही वाचा. त्यातनं lot of things which you will develop yourself, which you can put into the practice in front of our student. And when I went inside first, I think I saw one quote of PL Deshpande, which is kept on the actually wall, which really inspired me. And the meaning of that actually life which he has given, which today I wanted to tell you. He said, what I understood as a life, I wanted to put for the next generation. The first thing which he has put, that learn anything in the life so that you can survive in the life. You can live as far as the life is considered by earning your bread and butter. That is the first principle which PL Deshpande has explained. All of us, we learn pharmacy, whether it is a B Pharm, M Pharm, PhD, MBA, Dr. Umekar, PhD in MBA. Whatever we learn, it is for our bread and butter, for our living. That is the first principle. The second principle, he said, dedicate yourself, whatever the profession you have chosen. We have chosen teaching as a profession. So dedicate, devote, discipline yourself to that profession. Don't curse that you are a teacher. Many of our friends are not getting the salaries today. Yes, we are with them. But don't actually curse yourself on that line that why you became the teacher. Now the global platform is available for you for the online teaching. The positive aspect which you should see, right? And that's why he said, dedicate yourself, become the master, become the expert. Maybe in one topic, one subject, or one area, and start contributing in a big way. You should be known for your contribution in that field. Take the example from Mumbai University, which I wanted to tell you. Manjiri Gharat, KMK Institute of Pharmacy. She is known today in the community pharmacy, not only in India, in the world, through the FIP. Now, I think we always quote Dr. Vandana Patrawali, known for the research and development. Because whatever the research she is doing, patenting it, but it is useful to the industry, some of the products which came into the practice. So like that, I think apply yourself, dedicate yourself, what P.L. Deshpande said, so that legacy which you can create in your own area. Whether it is R&D, whether it is a teaching, whether it is a management subject, whether it is a regulatory subject, I think come to that level, becoming the expert. Specialize yourself on that line. Then third, which is most important, he said, remember, this is the most important statements which he made, which is applied to all of us. He said, actually do the bond with your hobbies or the liking in the life. Don't forget that. Whatever you like the music, you like to travel, you love to write literature, you wanted to actually come out with the digital application, do that. Sports, you are enjoying the sports. The interesting match will start at 3:30. So dedicate yourself on that line, continuously along with the teaching profession. And I think whatever the skill which you have, you are a good singer, start practicing that. I think Dr. Somani will come out with one platform which Dr. Milind Omekar has created for the student. So love that job and actually start contributing on that line, so that, you know, your inner needs will be satisfied. That is the skill, that is the chanda, that is the hobby which will make your life fulfilled with everything in that case. Money is not everything. I think that is the second part which is most important in that case. And once you make that, I think that will give you the platform and your personality will be identified. Along with your teaching profession, you have certain skills on that line. I think you are most wanted in any company at any platform. We always enjoy many pharma people because of their singing skill, because of their management skill, like Dr. Somani, Dr. Umekar, Mr. Charde, or maybe Mr. Bari. They are the good management people to provide the platform and bringing the people together. I think that is important. You are most invited or most liked in any group in that case, because of your that other skill rather than the teaching skill many times. But if you have the teaching skill and this other skill, you become the national leader in that case, a national actually contributor, a great teacher in that case, who inspire the student, who inspire the colleagues, and who inspire the teaching profession. Get connected with the industry, what you are looking for. Talk to the industry people that what you want in my students on that line, besides academic, so that you can develop them. I think this is important, where the job is not from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. It will be much beyond 5 p.m. So give that time and develop the personality of the student. Once you develop the personality of the student, your personality will be also developed on that line. I think that you should do. And then he said the most important aspect, that whatever the learning which you have, as far as the profession is considered, whatever the profession which you have chosen as a teaching, which will give you which you will survive because of that. Many of us, we are surviving because of our teaching profession at present. Let me tell you, our qualification and experience, which will survive. But the greatest contribution and satisfaction which you will achieve when you will have the bond with these other activities. I think Pharma Darpan or maybe Dhyana Ganga and Karya Kaushalyam, these are the other bonds which you have created for the teaching profession, which will make the life more satisfactory for all of us, especially the people who are contributing on that line. But the person like me really inspired because of your activity. And I think, as Swami Vivekananda said, meaning of life is contribution, right? For that purpose, we are born on this planet. So start contributing, start constructing. The way is long, let's go together. The way is difficult, let's help each other. The way is open in front of us. I think begin with a positive attitude to make the pharmacy profession and the teaching profession the leading profession in this country, to make the competent pharmacists, so that one day the dream of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam will be the reality, that India will be pharma superpower and #1 position, although we have #3 at present. Thank you very much, Dr. Somani, for giving me this opportunity. Thanks, Dr. Milind Umekar. All the best for you to lead this profession in a big way. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your inspirational words. In fact, we are honored to have the words from your side, especially for the APTI Mumbai branch and all the projects whatever we are working on. Even whatever the journey you had shared, that is from a teacher in a Bharati Vidyapith to a highest what we can say honor, that is the president of IPA. That is also going to inspire not only me, but I know that is most of the teachers. So I think everyone who is listening this particular part. Okay, so thank you very much for your inspirational word, and we will also try to go with your word, that is, let our every effort build a pharmacy profession, and we will also try to work out with the same. Thank you, sir. Now with this, we are about to conclude this celebration, but before that, I would like to invite Mr. Sujit Nagre for proposing the vote of thanks. Over to you, Sujit.
Thank you. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Thank you, Mr. Yogesh. Good afternoon to one and all present over here, and wish you happy Independence Day. Myself, Mr. Sujit Nagre from Indian Institute of Pharmacy, Sadavli, Devruk, proposing vote of thanks. First of all, I extend my most sincere thanks to Almighty God for making today's event a resounding success. With His blessing and grace, we are able to make this event what it was. Honorable guest Dr. Burande sir, respected Umekar sir, Dr. Bari sir, and Dr. Charde sir, our most valued invited guest principal of all colleges, my fellow colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, it's my privilege to have been asked to propose vote of thanks on this occasion. I, on behalf of APTI Mumbai Regional Branch, on auspicious occasion of first anniversary celebration of Pharma Darpan, the entire team of APTI Mumbai region, I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to all dignitaries for sparing your important time, sharing your views with us, and blessing the eternal path of Pharma Darpan today. Let our every effort build the pharmacy profession. A sentence quoted by Dr. Mahesh Burande sir, former president APTI National, to relate your quote, we the team of APTI Mumbai region trying through this tiny effort to uplift the Govardhan Hill of building pharmacy profession along with very able shoulders of other pharma professionals in India. A big thank you to you, Burande sir. I would like to take this opportunity to place on record our hearty thanks to Dr. Umekar sir, Vice President APTI National, for sharing the dais and mentoring us and appreciating our work since from beginning of this journey. Thank you, sir. We are very much grateful, Dr. Bari sir, Vice President APTI Maharashtra, for your eminent presence has indeed made this event a memorable one. We unitedly thank you for your gracious words for this innovative platform.
Thank you.
I would like to express our sincere thanks. I would like to express our sincere thanks to Dr. Charde sir, Secretary APTI Maharashtra State, for being with us for today's program and guiding us. Thank you, sir. I also wish to express my gratitude to all skippers of Maharashtra, Mumbai region pharmacy colleges for providing continuous encouragement to this APTI platform and supporting this APTI MU region initiative through their college coordinators. I hope that all principals keep blessings to us and allow our college coordinator to execute all activities pertaining to APTI Mumbai University region initiatives. Thank you all of you for supporting and guiding us. The wheel start rolling weeks ago. It required planning and bird's eye for details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed up by a leader like Dr. Somani sir. To list few fantastic features of Dr. Somani sir, he always found to build a team of people with green chemistry approach to bring product like Pharmadarpan and expert in delivering quality and product to end users. We believe under his guidance, the team will synthesize new innovations in current products and bring newer products too. Very big thank you to you, Dr. Somani sir, for being with us on this path. I also wish to deliver my special thanks to who have been the backbone of this team Jnanaganga, Dr. Sandeep Jine sir, for conceptualizing the idea of Jnanaganga and executing every monthly edition with added knowledgeable contents. Dr. Jine found to be capacity builder since beginning of our team. He found to be keen observer of every entity of team members and sensitize them to modify according to need of the squad. Thank you, sir, for being with us as a second in command leader in this aspect. Next, I would like to take opportunity to place on record our hearty thanks to my team member, Mr. Abhijit Puri. He found to be pharmacognosist with artistic mind and biotechnologist by teaching profession. He fermented every edition with his mindly inoculums and brought very own designed editions of Pharmadarpan every time. Thank you, Mr. Puri sir, for structuring Pharmadarpan systematically like herbal monographs, raising standards of magazine every time as per expectations of superior. Thank you, Puri sir. I also extend my thanks to Talking Tom of the magazine club, Mr. Pritam Zuwatkar, for being there in shouldering every responsibility and smooth execution of every issue of magazine. He found to observe every edition of magazine through microscopic eyes for rooting out mistakes and bringing out a authentic product every time. A big thank you to you, to this ever enthusiastic, cooperative and a smiling face person. Thank you, Pritam sir. The person next in command is Mr. Yogesh Chaudhary, who always found doing biotechnological recombinations in data summarization and assimilation work by using brainly restriction enzymes. Thank you, Mr. Yogesh, for being with us as a team member. I also thank you to Dr. Amol Khade, my fellow colleague. Dr. Khade assimilate all raw data provided by all faculties in MU region and prepare a brand featured version of Jnanaganga to end user. He serves a systematically organized, ready to use data to all pharma students. I wish to extend my sincere thanks to Dr. Rane sir, Mr. Pradeep Chaskar sir, and Mr. Nitin Kole sir for possibilizing all permutations and combinations to calculate awards and recognition to regional contributors. Mr. Chaskar sir is the analytical master of all editions, where we all get correct data with statistical approach. Dr. Rane found to be very creative in digitizing online contents. To name a few, a promotional video created by him is found to be exceptionally well and appreciated by mentors. Thank you, both of you, sir. I wish to express my sincere thanks to my team member, Mrs. Suchita Gokhale madam, Mr. Vinod Mule sir, for channelizing request mails to all college coordinators, requesting to send news and contributory videos to APTI MU region platform. Thank you to sir and madam. I would like to deliver special thanks to another woman power of our team, Dr. Goswami madam, for proofreading activities pertaining to all editions of magazine. Thank you, madam. I would like to deliver my hearty thanks to Dr. Surendra sir, Mrs. Keer madam, and Dr. Abu Sufyan sir and other members of team podcast for their beneficial contribution to this platform. Thank you, sir. Teachers have three loves: love of learning, love of learner, and the love of bringing first two loves together. With these lines, I wish to thank all teachers of Mumbai University region colleges and college coordinators for channelizing every edition of Pharma Darpan and Dhyan Ganga. We believe the essence of fruit is always tasted at the last, and we are sure that last will be the best ever. With this quote, I wish to extend my vote of thanks to all my beloved students, readers of the Mumbai region. Without their usage, this whole exercise would have been useless. So big thank you to all pharmacy students and readers. I take this opportunity to deliver my sincere sense of gratitude towards IT team of Dr. D.Y. Patil School of Pharmacy, Mrs. Nita Patil Madam, and Mr. Praveen Naik sir for helping to execute this program with flying colors. I wish to thank you each and every entity of MU region for giving their helping hand for raising the educational standards of pharma profession and making this platform in reach of pharma fraternity. Thank you one and all present here. I, Mr. Sujit Nagre, on behalf of APTI Mumbai region, announce that today's program is concluded here. I request each and everyone present over here to remain present for our next flagship program, a webinar series named as Karya Kaushalam at sharp 4 p.m. today. Thank you. Good day to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rakesh.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Chala, Somani sir, okay. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Are we continuing the same link for Karya Kaushalam now?
No, sir. We have a separate link, and that is posted to all participants.
It is there. Okay. Bari sir, thank you so much. Yeah, and we will share all our details so that activities to state branch can also be extended. Okay. So yeah, that YouTube channel and other details I will share on our APTI group as well, so that you can take up further things and ask the students of other colleges also to use it. No problem. Yeah. Thank you,
sir. So many, sir.
So we are closing this meeting, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, bye, bye, bye.
Karya Kaushalam meeting immediately. Yeah.
Nita madam, please be on another link.